Hello and welcome to section 3 of this course, and this is Geodatabase and Shapefile. So on this course we'll be looking at series of videos to complete this course. So we're starting with the Geodatabase. Now once you launch your ArcMap, what is needed is that you have seen the image you want to digitize. Basically, you've counted the features that are on the image and you've taken note of them. Then the next thing you want to do is to create your database. Now once you've been able to understand what is entailed or what you need to digitize, you need to determine the coordinate system you'll be working in and then the geodatabase. That's the next thing. So we are going to be creating geodatabase on this video. So to do that, you can create your database either by coming to add data and then you click on new geodatabase, but that will not allow you to do some other things. So the best way to create your database is either you use the ArcCatalog software itself or you use the catalog window here on ArcMap. And anytime you did not find your ArcCatalog window, you come to Windows and you see ArcCatalog. So you see catalog window here. Alright, so now every time you are working, it is expedient and it is very, very important that you have a work folder. So like mine now, you can see that my work folder has C and D. So I have two drives on my system. So I use the two of them for work and all that. So they are connected. So once you have a general work folder, there should be folder for sub other works. Like you can see other of my works have their folders and all that here. So this one now we're going to right click on the general folder, the main general folder. That's your work folder. Now you right click on it and then you go to new. We're going to create a folder. So this folder we're going to call it GIS training. So that's our folder we're going to be using. So on this GIS folder now, you right click on it and you go to new. When you go to new, you will see options like the folder which we created before, and you will see file geodatabase and personal geodatabase and database connection, and then ArcGIS server connections, layer, group layer, and other tools you will see below. So you need to determine what is the extent of your work. How large is what you're doing? Is it something that will just take between 0 and 2 gigabytes? Then you go for personal geodatabase. Is it something that will take up to 30, 40, 50 gigabytes? You go for file geodatabase, because file geodatabase, like we said in our previous classes, we said that file geodatabase make use of your folder and personal geodatabase make use of Microsoft Access, and file geodatabase is as large as your system storage is, while personal geodatabase just go with max of 2 gig. So you have to also determine the size of what you're working on. So once that is decided, we click on file and you right click on it now and you go to rename. So we're going to rename this as the name of our project, assuming our project is Zaria. That is the study area where we're working on. So we just say Zaria. Now we've created the container we are talking about. You can see it is shining like a container. Now this container we've created will contain other subsequent things we're going to put inside. Now, assuming you right click on your work folder now, the GIS training, which is what our project folder now, we right click on and then we'll go to new again and then this time we're going to click on personal geodatabase. So right click, we edit it, we rename, and then this time we're going to name it what? ABU, as another geodatabase like I used in that case study. I said ABU is the container, the 17 faculty are the future data set, and each department in each of the faculty are the future class. So we're bringing it to life now, so you're going to be seeing it. So basically this is how to create a geodatabase. So watch the next video for how to create future data set.